What's up everybody, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how you can run the latest Google open source model Gemma4 on your computer completely offline. In this video I'm going to guide you step by step from setting the environment on your computer and getting the Gemma4 local AI model in your computer and run it as a local AI machine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now let me guide you how you can download the Google open source AI model Gemma4 on your operating system. And after setting up everything, we are going to disconnect our computer from the internet and show you how you can use that Gemma4 AI model locally on your computer completely offline. So first of all, open up any browser, then search on Google for Ollama. Then go to this first link ollama.com. Then from here, click on download Ollama. Select your operating system icon, then click on download for Windows and it's gonna download the exe installer of Ollama application. When the downloading gets completed, open up your downloads folder and here you will see the Ollama installer. Double click on it to install it. Now click on install. And now it should automatically set up the Ollama application on your Windows 11 operating system. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the installation gets completed. Okay, so guys, here you can see Ollama application has been installed and up and running on our Windows 11 operating system. And now we need to get the Gemma4 local AI model in our computer so that we can easily run that using this Ollama application. For this, again, get back to your browser, go to models, then search here for Gemma4 model. Click on it. And for this video purpose, I'm going to download this Gemma4 2 billion model. If you want to download any other model, just click on it like this. Then you will get this command from here. Just copy that command. Open up the terminal of your computer. Then paste that command here and press enter. And now this command going to download the Gemma4 AI model on your computer. Here you can see it's going to download 7.2 GB file. So it's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading gets completed. Okay guys, so here you can see the AI model has been downloaded in our computer and it also start running. Let's try to send a message here. Here I'm gonna send hi. And here you can see it also showing us the thinking process. Then it's gonna replay me. Here you can see it reply, hi, how can I help you today? So now my computer is connected with the internet, so I'm going to disconnect it. First of all, let's close this terminal. Then I'm going to right click on my network and internet setting. Then go to advanced network settings. And I'm going to disable my internet connectivity. Now I'm going to open up the Ollama application again. Then from here, click on new chat. Then click on select a model. And from here, I'm going to select the model, whatever I downloaded. Here I'm going to type Gemma. Here you can see it already downloaded and there is no download icon. So I'm going to select this one. Now I can send the message from here. Let's say hi. Again, it's going to show us the thinking process. Then it's going to replay me. And guys, right now you can see I am completely offline. I don't have internet connectivity to my computer. So guys, like this, using this Ollama application, you can run Google's open source Gemma4 AI model in your computer completely offline. Also, from here, you can download different AI model and include it in your Ollama application. And for downloading all these AI models, you have to connect your computer with the internet. Then after downloading, you can disconnect your computer from the internet.